All right, everybody, we are going to jump on the foam roller. We're going to do our legs primarily, and we're going to start out with our glutes here. As we sit on one side, we turn a little bit to one side, and you're going to notice throughout this tutorial that I am doing movement in a variety of ways. Moving feet, moving legs, bending knees, bringing them in and out, lifting up and down or going side to side. And this is a really good way to help your body truly loosen up these areas over time because it mimics movement. And so when you're doing things in a still position, a lot of times you start moving again and your body tightens up again. We're creating movement while creating the pressure as a way to hope that over time, this actually stops us from continuing to run into the issues we have with pain, tightness, limitation, etc. So I've gone from the glutes down to the hamstrings and now onto the calves. I've put some extra pressure onto there with the other leg on top. And we're gonna finish up the legs by hitting the front, which is gonna be our quads. This is gonna be kind of the most important, I think, for those of us who sit. And once again, the mobility now is being done with lifting that heel in and out. We kind of got a plank thing going on to the floor, so we got a full body workout even as we're warming up or loosening up here. Do your breathing through your nose along the way if you can as well. Great way to continue to teach your body to loosen up and to stay a little bit more relaxed along the way. Last up, we're gonna hit some back here, so I'm gonna put this right on the top of my hips, bend my knees, and then you get to choose how far up and down you want to go. I don't usually do more than about 2 or 3 of these at a time. And remember, this is not about putting pressure on our bones. This is about musculature. So stay off of the bones, enjoy the muscles, loosen them up, feel better.